We're going to import this Illustrator file to use for the shape of the bottle. Go to the File menu and select Import. Find the Getting Started folder we just placed on the desktop and open the Illustrator file called Bottle Outline. Now from the toolbar, select the Lathe tool. Single-click the red handle on the left side of the bottle outline. The Lathe tool spins the outline around the center axis to create the bottle shape. As a shortcut, the lid and bottle were created as individual pieces in the Illustrator file. So if we go to Modeling menu and select Ungroup, we now have two pieces in 3D, the bottle shape and the lid shape. Let's go through the commonly used features to view our 3D scene. We can change the view of our model using the View Orientation pop-up menu in the upper left-hand corner. Click the pop-up menu and notice the view options. The number next to each view is a keyboard shortcut to quickly access the view. Select the front option to change to the front view. To the right of the View Orientation pop-up menu is the Display Method pop-up menu. Select this menu and open the OpenGL submenu and notice the view options. These options are commonly used on the fly when working in 3D, so they're assigned to the A, S, D, F, G, H keys on your keyboard as shortcuts. Using the keys on the keyboard, go through these keys and observe how the display method of the bottle changes. Press the G key and leave it on GL Smooth for now. Two other commonly used commands under the View menu are Fit Views to All and Fit Views to Selection. Let's select Fit Views to All, which will center our view.